Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to export a video with a transparent background in Premiere Pro easy tutorial. So as you can see in here, I've added a background video and a text above it. To start, we're going to go ahead and delete the background video that we have in here, leaving only the text part that we want to export. So as you can see, I've highlighted this one already, and let's go ahead and delete that by right-clicking it and delete. So right after you've gone ahead and cleared already the background video for that, we're gonna go ahead and try to open the export settings here. So we have file, click on export here, and then click on media. So in the export settings, we're gonna go ahead and try to change the different settings in here. Here onto the export settings, make sure that the format is QuickTime. So just click onto this to change that. Right after here, under preset, find in this one, the GoPro Cineform RGB 12-bit with alpha and maximum bit depth. So just choose that one and it should go ahead and change. Right after, it's time to also change the output name for that. So this will go ahead and give you an option to change the file folder for this, wherein you want to save this. So we're going to choose downloads for that and just go ahead and change this to change the file name. So click save right after. Once you're satisfied with that, make sure as well that this one is unchecked, since we don't need the audio for this one. Unless you need the audio into your clip, feel free to choose that. Let's update this back again. Just scroll down here under video, under quality, make sure this one is maxed out to 5. So once done, feel free to go ahead and export the video and try to save your transparent video. So once done, you should be able to find that one onto the file folder wherein you save it. So we could try testing that one out here. Let's add a background video again, and let's try to import that. So let's try to drag and drop it in here, back. We have successfully imported it with a transparent background. And if you think that this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.